Welcome back to Truck and Roll. On this video, we finally get the Mach 1 on the track and we're not messing around. We've got some 110 octane leaded race gas. We're gonna turn the boost up and race everything. And when I say everything, I mean everything from big block turbo Chevy trucks to supercharged Lamborghinis. This is a video you are not gonna wanna miss. First race of the day. Not a lot of cars today, which is nice. Gonna be racing Kelly, gonna be on the second boost settings, about 10 pounds. And we'll see what she'll do. Got her in drag mode. Got the VP 110 in it. Looks like we're gonna be the second run of the day. Hopefully we can get Kelly's camera for that one because mine did not pick it up.
Shit! He still beat me, dang it! But not only by like one car length. Cheating! Worked pretty well actually. Okay. Alright, I'll count it as a not too terrible loss.
So you want to try it up in a little faster?
The 60?
Yeah, let me see where I'm at in third. And then see how it does, and maybe I click it up the next setting and see how we do. But yeah, just...
You have a next setting besides the 850?
Yeah.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we can do that. We can do a 60.
Okay. Good race. Good race. This will be my first time running it on the 950 setting, so I'll start in third.
950?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Well, it depends on timing. So I've made 906, 911, 945. So who knows? It's over 900, but as we know, the DCT.
Yeah.
The DCT is where it's at.
Those milliseconds matter.
It's huge. It's huge. I'm sorry, dude. Did I jump you?
No, so what happened is, I started in automatic.
Okay.
And then I tried to shift it into manual.
Yeah.
But what happened is I spent too much time trying to fumble.
Yeah.
By the time we got up to 60, it jumped to fourth.
Oh.
Right as I punched it, it upshifted again when I downshifted.
Ah, fuck.
So, yeah, I just didn't get the timing on the shift right. Can you do one more?
Yeah, let's do one more.
Let's do it.
You gonna leave it in manual?
What?
You gonna leave it in manual?
I'm gonna try.
Okay.
See if that helps.
Okay.
There we go. That was a clean one.
Be racing a 800 wheel horsepower Supra. He said made about 800, 815, something like that. It is a T56 manual car, so pretty excited to see how this does. We'll see if we can do the same thing, click it up into third gear, let her eat.
Hey, you go time out and I'll keep up.
Okay.
That was a good one.
We're gonna run him back. Had a really close run with the Supra. He wound up getting me by about tiny amount, but I was pulling on him at the end there, so we'll have to see. I think he's hitting it. The thing hits hard down low for sure. So we're gonna try the other boost setting, see what happens.
What do you have done to it?
Oh, it's got a Whipple 3 liters 2.5 gear.
Okay, cool.
About 770 wheel.
Okay. I'm trying to decide if I want to start in second or not.
Start 4. It'll work great.
Yeah. Cool.
At this point in the video where I pretty much thought I was unstoppable, right? I was beating everybody, or at least tying, right? I had, I went 1 for 1 with the Supra. I went 2 out of 3 with the GT500. And then I decided to race something that I knew, if he got the shifts right, was going to be a very tough race. So check out these 3 series of races we do with this Grand Sport. We'll tell you about it here in a second. It is not your normal Grand Sport, as you will see. And keep an eye on the boost gauge if you're watching, because we're getting some weird stuff. I don't have boost by gear, but it certainly looks like I do because I'm not making the boost that I want to down low. If you watch that last run I just made there, second gear was only like 7 pounds. And then third gear, it was like 9 pounds. And then fourth gear is when we finally saw, over 12 pounds. I don't know why. Keep watching.
This is my C6 Corvette, the Grand Sport 2013. It's got a built LME 377 cubic inch block.
Okay.
4 strength shaft, pistons, rods, ANA YSI forward bid, Supercharged intercooler, and a bunch of other goodies.
Okay.
Built 6-speed trans.
Oh my gosh.
Tech stage 3 clutch. It's pretty gnarly.
Yeah, so you said it makes that 900 wheel?
Yeah, probably about 900 wheel right now.
Oh my gosh, dude. This thing is a beauty. Look at that thing. Hell yeah. Dude, this thing is it's so badass. I'm glad we got some good runs in, man. I appreciate it. Yeah.
So much fun.
good. The old 900 wheel horsepower C6, not to be trifled with. Fox again. Don't know what's done to it. Says he makes 550, then he said he made 650, so who really knows? Better eat tater chip, boy! Best race so far. That was good.
Good job.
That was the best run I've had all day.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it did really good. I'm happy.
How much power does that make?
About 700, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dude, it was, I mean, normally what happens with this is I pull on people on the top end, but not the case.
Yeah.
We were like,
Yep, exactly.
it's Ben.
It's Ben.
Yes.
Ben, you beat me.
I did?
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't worry, I got you.
Okay.
Cool, man.
That was good.
That was a
good.
good.
Take off. See you later.
Okay,
guys.
have a good one.
So,
You want to run them?
yeah, I do.
Cool.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, we jump in.
Just out of curiosity, what's done to it?
Supercharged.
Oh, very cool.
So yeah,
That's different.
it'll be fun. What
Okay.
are you doing?
This is twin turbo.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, twin turbo. That's it's a hard one to beat.
Okay, and I'm assuming that's an automatic, right?
Yeah, paddle shift.
Okay. I can go, if I go slower, like 40, it's like second gear, or we can do third.
In second. So yeah, why don't you lead and I'll follow.
Okay, and then if you get me the first time, we'll run them back if you don't mind.
Perfect.
I'll go into third because the shifts are what sometimes
Okay,
kill you.
I like it.
Cool. Get out of there, boy! Woo! Yeah! Supercharged Lambo! Hell yeah! That was a good race, dude.
You good?
Yeah, that was a good race. We could do one more, and then I'm probably good. It's starting to get a little warm.
Okay, whatever. It's okay.
Yeah, let's do one more. I'll start in third.
Okay, I'm gonna try in third too.
Okay, we'll go a little bit faster.
All right.
Okay, cool. that thing is so cool. So tell me about it real quick.
So it's a VF Engineering.
Okay.
That's pretty much all that they've done to it, though.
Okay. Dude, it is sweet. So what do these make stock? Do you have any idea?
610. So it's one of those 610-4s.
Okay.
So that's the all-wheel drive too.
Okay, gotcha.
And then you throw on the supercharger.
Okay.
And it's about 8. I'm just guessing. I've never dynoed it. It's probably 800 wheel.
Okay. Cool.
What are you pushing?
So it depends. And I'll have to go back and look at the camera here to see. Let me pop my hood real quick just to let it cool off. You can't really see anything, but it really depends on if the boost controller is playing nicely or not.
Right.
So on the dyno, when everything was working, best was 945.
Damn.
Wheel, yeah.
Oh my God.
But it's a 6-speed stock clutch.
Oh,
so
gosh.
dude,
That's a weak spot. Yeah.
I'm so happy. I mean, it's just like, it's doing great.
Hold together.
It's holding together, man. I mean, that first one was so good.
Right.
And I thought I didn't stand a chance in second because I got to make the 2-3 shift and the 3-4 shift. But I'm pretty aggressive on the shift.
The first one, I kind of bounced the rev limiter a little bit too much. So
yeah.
That last one, I felt like it was in a better sweet spot to get on it.
Yeah. And I love how we both stayed in it too. Yeah. Like, neither of us kind of let off right there at the end. We're like, let's just see.
Inch it out.
Inch it out, yeah. Oh, man.
All in all, super successful day at the track. The ZL1 made it home in one piece, and so did the Mach 1. Now, we do have some things we're gonna look into. We gotta figure out why it was kind of not making full boost in those lower gears. Was it because it's a stick shift? Was it something to do with the clutch? Was it a boost leak? I don't know. It just seemed like it didn't want to make full boost in second. It was like second made, wastegate, then a couple more pounds in third, and then a couple more pounds in fourth. But we want all that boost. I want to be able to control it. So we're going to look into that a little bit more. We'll ask some people who may know more than I do of why that may happen. Certainly, if you know, let me know. I'd appreciate it. And thanks for watching. So, after my wife ran her car, maybe she didn't do so hot this time. You need a lot of horsepower to be competitive at these events, which means maybe we'll be doing some stuff to her car. We'll just have to see. Again, I really appreciate you guys watching. I am a small-time channel. I do this all myself, and it would really help me out. I'd appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button, hit the like and the bell, just so you get all the notifications and you know when I upload new videos. And there will be new videos coming. We will get this thing back out to the track, get it in tip-top shape, and you'll see it next time on Truck and Roll.